And good morning, Math Masters. I'm going to get rid of that. Where are you? Huh. Well, try to get rid of it. Let's see what happens now. There we go. And I'll erase that. Erase. Thank you. All right, we're doing something a little different today. So listen carefully. We're going to have our homework page because we're doing more review. So this is lesson 5, homework book. Homework book. And you, of course, are 4th graders. And this is module 5. Okay? So go ahead and get that. And if all else fails, it is page 119. So today's date is 03/02/2021. And it is page 119. All right, let's get started on this. It says draw horizontal lines to decompose each rectangle into the number of rows is indicated. Use the model to give the shaded area as both a sum of unit fractions and a multiplication sentence. So you can see what started off here first. Let's take a look. 3 rows. It was 1/2, and then we made 3 rows, right? So, excuse me. So 1/2 would equal now 1, 2, 3. That's the numerator. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3, 6. See how that worked? We had 1/2. We cut it in 3 rows, and now we have 3 out of 6, or 3, 6. So 1/2 is equal to 3, 6. 1/2. What's it equal? It equals 1, 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 6. So we get a total of 3, 6. Or we could say 3 times 1, 6 equals 3, 6. And I want you to do some of this on your own. Do your best. Let me get rid of this. And we're going to put 2 rows in here right now. Okay, so what we have going on right now, it looks like 1/4, right? So I'm going to put 1/4 on 1/4 up here. It's going to equal another fraction. Let's put in 2 rows. And remember, we started off with 1/4, but now what do we have? You go ahead and pause this digital recording and give it your best shot. And welcome back. So we have 1/4 equals what? Well, let's see how many are shaded now. 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 twelfths. All right, let's prove that some more. We could say 1/4 equals. Okay, go ahead and figure that out after you get it all written down. Pause the recording. And welcome back. Of course, it equals 1/12 plus 1/12 plus 1/12 for a grand total of 3/12. And there you have it. We'll continue on. Oh, you know what we didn't do? Little brackets up there. We didn't put 1/4 or 1/2. And then this one little section right there. That one little guy, he'd be 1/12. Okay. All right, let's continue on to the next problem. It's 4 rows we're putting here. So we still have 1/4, or 1/4, and we're putting in 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So once again, it's going to be 1/4 equals another fraction. That equals 3/12. They're all equivalent. You tell me what fraction that is. Pause the recording. And welcome back. What did you get? Well, if you went like this, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 shaded out of 4, 8, 12, 16. We'd have 4/16. And so this one little one down here would be 1/16. So now we do our addition sentence to find out the sum. We would go 1/16 plus, oh, I wasn't going to make you guys do this, plus 1/16 plus 1/16. What do we get? Add it up. Pause the tape if you need to, but you already got it. 1, 2, 3, 4 16th. Let's make a multiplication sentence. Blank times 1/16 equals 4/16. What whole number is going to go there? Think about it. Remember, multiplication is just repeated addition. What do we have up there? Repeated addition. 1, 2, 3, and our answer, of course, is 4. All right. We're going to keep going. We'll turn this paper over. And let's read our instructions. It says, draw area models to show the decompositions represented by the number sentences below. The decomposition as a sum of unit fraction and as a multiplication sentence. So we'll be adding and multiplying. We're only going to do 2 of these because the rest is going to be your homework, 1 and 2. Let's get moving on that. We have to make 1/3, okay? So let's make 1/3. So there we have it, 1/3, right? We'll bracket this one up. And we're trying to get an equivalent of 2/6. So what do we need to do? Well, I think we just need to make this 6 pieces. How many rows do we need then? Let's cut it in half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is this one little piece right here? It is 1/6, right? So let's do our addition sentence and our multiplication sentence to show that 1/3 equals or is equivalent to 2/6. Okay, so we're going to say 1/3 equals, whoops, sorry, I got carried away, 1/6, right, plus 1/6, and that equals 2/6. We could also multiply 2 times 1/6 equals 2/6. Okay, let's go over here. I'm going to set it up, and then you're going to do this one. It's 1/3 equals 3/9. So let's make 1/3. So if you're going to make this into ninths, think about how many times you're going to have to cut it. Right now it's 1/3. We're trying to get to 3/9, okay? So there's 1/3. Go ahead and give it your best shot. And pause the recording. And welcome back. Okay, so I know 3 times 3 is 9. So I'm going to do 2 rows here. Let's see if that will give me 9. 3, 6, 9. Yeah. So I know that this one little piece right here would be 1/9. So now I'm ready to add. I'm running out of room. 1/3 equals 1/9 plus 1/9 plus 1/9 equals 3/9. And look at 3 out of 9, right? 3 are shaded out of the total of 9. Let's do the multiplication sentence. So something times 1/9 equals 3/9, and go for it. All right, welcome back. If you thought, well, multiplication is just repeated addition, there's repeated addition. I added 1/9, 1/9, 1/9 3 times. Well, 3 times 1/9 would equal 3/9. So we can see how they're equivalent. Just think about that brownie pan. If you ate 1/3 of those brownies, then let's say the next time around you cut them up like this, you still ate those 3 smaller pieces, you still would have ate 1/3 of the plate. All right, the rest of this is our homework, but we're going to do some more activities like this in our second video. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this video. Soon. And let's stop.